everyone, welcome to Tech Skills. So we are back with another ROM. Today we're going to install Pixel Extended in our awesome Poco F1. Right now I'm on Pixel Experience, so if you're interested in watching a video about that ROM, the link is in this I button on the right. Other than that, the number one thing that we're gonna do is we go to our security settings and we remove whatever screen lock we are having so that our device don't get encrypted, right? So that we don't have to manually like decrypt it or something. So since this is all together a different custom ROM, so the standard procedure that we'll be following is formatting the whole device, otherwise it might end in boot loop. And anyone who's installing this ROM, please keep your data backed up because we are going to format the phone, right? So first of all, let's go to the TWRP section by pressing the volume up and power button both at the same time. And by the way, the link of the ROM is in the description as always. So we will be landing the TWRP section, and there first of all we will format the device, and then what we'll do is we will simply put the ROM file in the phone and we will flash it. So swipe to allow modifications, we go to wipe, we go to format data, and I'll type here as yes since I don't have anything in my phone, so I'll be typing here yes, and the phone will be formatted in a very short period of time, right? As you can see, now we'll simply reboot it, again press the volume up and power button both at the same time, and we will be landing the TWRP section again, right? So here we are on the TWRP. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll quickly copy the ROM file in my phone. The link is in the description, you can download it, and this is the GApps build, please keep that thing in mind. And I'll be doing a complete a performance test and other stuff, checking the safety net, DRM and everything will be linked in the description. You can also check those videos as well whenever I make them, right? So let's put the ROM file first. So we have successfully copied the ROM file in our phone. It will be in the root folder of the storage. As you can see, I'll click on install, and here I'll find the Pixel Extended Beryllium, right? So I'll click on this and swipe to confirm flash. So this step might take, for example, 5 minutes. So before that, I'll just show you that we are having the security patch of June 5th, and big shout out to RN Gupta for the developer of this ROM. Let's see how this ROM looks like. I have never, I think never installed this ROM on this channel, so this will be the very first impression, I believe. I don't remember installing this on the phone. So I'll quickly fast forward the video till the ROM gets installed, and we'll talk more about it on the lock screen. So here we are, the ROM is getting booted, and we'll see if there is any what do we call it, a custom animation or a boot animation, but looks like there is no. So it might be a very stockish feel, and since it's a Pixel Extended, I believe this is something top on Pixel Experience ROM that we were already using on that I was already using on this phone. So let's see what more features it is having, and we'll talk more about it in a detailed video if you people are interested. So do like this video if you found this helpful, and a subscribe to the channel would be super awesome if you do that. It will help me to just encourage me to make more videos like this. So I'll be quickly setting this device up, and I will see you people on the boot screen or on the lock screen. So here we are on the lock screen, or you can see on the home screen of the Pixel Extended ROM. First of all, I'll just change the wallpaper to something a little bit light. Let's see if it's having some wallpapers here. Yes, we're having lots of wallpapers going on around, so I will choose one of them. I believe this one is fine, and I'll set this up on both screen. This will only help to look things a little better. Yeah, so this is how the lock screen and this home screen is like. I'll just increase the brightness a little bit so that everything is crystal clear. And as you can see now, let's go to the this is very clean, as you can see, and a very good thing, we don't have to find nearby somewhere around here. This is already on the quick setting tiles here, right? So other than that, we have lots of options. I don't know what this is, we'll have to test this. FTP server something this is. And other than that, we have another feature, it's called sound search. After we turn this on, anything that is getting played around us will be detected, and we'll get a notification that this song is getting played, and this will also act as a history of whatever you have heard the whole day, any music. right? So here we're having the torch button and the very usual looking quick toggle settings, right? So very beautiful, as you can see, tone got played. I'll just put it on do not disturb, right? So here we are having, this is how the settings menu looks like, as you can just have a look at this. So I believe the pixels 10, as you can see, it reads pixels 10. This must be the, you know, the extended features that it will be having, and like all the other customization, like vibration on connect. For example, if you connect a call and if you turn this on, there will be a vibration when someone picks up the call waiting and something. This is a lot of things. And G visual, okay, this is something status bar height, so I believe this is it. And if I extra large, let's see what this brings. Okay, I believe I don't know, something got changed, so let's set it to default. We'll make a complete video if anyone is interested to let me know. So other than that, on the lock screen we have, you know, a lot of other things going on here. And okay, Wi-Fi, battery percentage, and there are a lot of things going on and a lot of customizations. And you know, we can always get back, and first of all, let's see the other basic features that it's having. On then the battery, do we have okay, we are having thermal profiles here, as you can see. I don't know if these some thermal profiles work or not, but yes, having them is good. Okay, something got refreshed here, I don't know what it was, but let's see. In the battery, we have adaptive battery here, and you know, we can also set the maximum charging level. For example, if you set this up, it will only get charged at 80%. So I don't want that, so I'll just turn it off. Other than that, if we go to the permission settings, we don't have anything, you know, super different from how other custom ROMs are giving here. And let's see what we are having in the security. Yes, we are having a face unlock as well, an app locker. I told you, that like this feels like this is a little bit something on top of pixel experience. Yeah, so it's very much like that. So other than that, if we go to Android section, we can see here's the extended version 2.8. as you can see, a very beautiful looking animation. And Android version is obviously 11. We don't have Android 12 stable builds available right now, and whenever they come, I'll be installing those builds on this channel. So do subscribe and do let your friends know about the videos as well. This will help me in, you know, building the channel and the community, and help you in installing all the custom ROMs. So on the display settings, do we have anything different? No, we have live display and other things, very usual stuff. And yes, you can set the accent colors. Let's see. Okay, I'll choose something like aquamarine. Let's see what it brings. Okay, we don't have, I don't know if we can change these black tiles or not, but definitely this thing got changed. So we are having something here, definitely. So switch style. Okay, let's set it to Oxygen OS 11. Let's okay, this is nice. So they are also giving switch styles. For example, if I choose it to Telegram, so the way it looks on Telegram app, these switches will exactly change their styles according to that. Just have a look. If I choose it to narrow, let's see what it does. Okay, you can see they got changed. If I now select them to contained, they will again get changed. So this is something that they are giving here, right? So obviously a lot of customizations. And other than that, let's quickly check, okay, what we are having here. Yes, you can now even just like pixel experience, if you go here and if you click on select, you can actually select all the text here, and you can simply tap to copy and search or whatever you want to do, right? Other than that, we're also having a screenshot options. For example, if you want to share the screen, you will click on screenshot. For some strange reasons, it's not working. I don't know. Let's close these apps and do it once again. I'll keep it like that. So the screenshot feature, as you can see, it's not working as of now. I'll also find a fix if it works. I'll tell you people, right? Other than that, all the details of the video will be in the Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Whatever you want to ask, you can directly ask me there as well. Other than that, comment section is always open for you people, right? So I'll be doing a complete benchmark test and other safety net informations as well. So do subscribe to the channel for that. Let's check the safety net here only, if it gets passed or not. So we will check it live here. It's getting installed. I'll open and run test, and fortunately it gets passed. So anyone who's interested in this, it gets passed in this device, right? So that's all for this video. All the details will be in the description. The benchmarks course will be in the description, not right now while posting the video. Whenever I do the benchmarks, the links of the video and the scores will be in the description for you people, right? That's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Do subscribe to the channel. It will be super awesome. Bye bye.